This video will show you how to use the new PayHOA for Long Island Air Park homeowners. You should have received an email from the Homeowners Association with a link in it to set up your PayHOA account. Just click on that and go to the site. You can then confirm your name and telephone number and enter your password. I'm just going to let the browser pick a strong one, but you can type one in that just matches the 10 items that are listed there. You can update your mailing address and indicate whether or not you want to be in the member directory, and just say share all fields, and then confirm that you're a human being and save the account details. This will create a password for you, and now you can go in and see that you have your property listed. There's a little map and a picture of it, and if you owe any money, they'd be showing you that there, and you could make a payment if we need to do that at this point. It also shows you all the other members that are associated with this property. Now if you go up to the My Dashboard button, you'll see all of your own personal information. You can click on that again and change that if anything is changed, cell phone numbers or mailing addresses. You can add additional emails so you get multiple copies of things. If you want to put a picture of yourself in the record for the directory, you can just drop it in here and adjust the spot so it clips which part of the image you want to have in the directory. And you'll see up here in the top, it's very small in this case, but you can see your picture. The next one is a wallet where you set up the bank accounts and or credit cards that you want to use to make payments. And there's on the side here is a document repository. If you click on that, you'll see I've stored the copy of our bylaws and articles of incorporation and everything there for your reference. Then we have the member directory. Right now it's not populated with much, it just has me in it, but I'm the only one who's signed in so far, but as this will get filled up. There's also a couple of message boards, one for general owners to chit-chat with each other, and one for official announcements from the HOA. We use this similar to how we're currently using the email. We also have a calendar here. If we scroll down a bit, we'll see that we have on there the board meeting for next month's board meeting. If you click on these, it'll give you information like where it is and how long it's going to last. Also down here I have my New Year's Day party, so again I'll just click on this and you see it's January 1st at noon, and gives you a little promo for it. And if you need any help beyond what this video provides, there's lots of help available from the manufacturer of this software. So have fun, and we'll be using more of this as time goes on.